If you've got your medicine interview coming up, this is another big hot topic that you need to be aware of, and it's to do with the challenges in healthcare and some possible solutions as well. First and foremost, let's talk about A&E waiting times. Obviously, since COVID, these waiting times have completely skyrocketed, and it's quite a problem. Generally, patient care and safety just gets completely compromised. So what are some possible solutions? First and foremost, ambulance triaging. For patients who are a lot more critical, we could have an ambulance triage system which triages these patients who are a lot more critical, and they obviously get priority to get some urgent care. That's one way. Another thing is maybe just generally educating the general public, because there's a lot of people who make unnecessary visits to A&E for things that are not serious at all. So just educating the public, and then therefore just reduce the amount of people who are visiting A&E unnecessarily. Another thing is generally not having enough resources available. We obviously know how underfunded the NHS is, and with this growing aging population, it's going to be quite difficult to deal with this increase in demand, and we don't have the supply for it. With that, obviously you get overwhelming hospitals, not enough hospital beds. Possible solution people are thinking is generally just building a lot more care homes to put the elderly population into, but then obviously you've got an issue of funding. Who's going to be funding that, because it's going to need a lot of money. Another thing, if you look at it from a cultural aspect, is luckily for people who are of the ethnic minority backgrounds, we tend to prioritize just the management of elderly family members at home or rather than in a hospital setting. So naturally that then kind of alleviates a little bit of the pressure of that, and maybe a little bit of education regarding this. But yeah, this is another video on generally what you need to know for your interviews. If you're enjoying this, follow, because there'll be a lot more stuff. There's an ebook coming out very soon, so do stay tuned. But yeah, keep an eye out for everything that's coming out on this page.